Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I wanted to highlight a new rumor that suggests the upcoming tri-fold smartphone from Samsung will end up being branded as the Galaxy G Fold. This rumor comes to us from a leaker over in South Korea via the Navier website, and they claim the name of the upcoming smartphone is said to be called the Samsung Galaxy G Fold, and many have speculated that it could end up being released sometime this year. Although I am reading a few others suggest that it will be available in January of next year. The Galaxy G Fold is currently rumored to be 6.54 inches tall, with an overall screen size of 9.96 inches from corner to corner while the device is completely unfolded. The folding mechanism is said to fold on both sides, which is currently different than the tri-fold smartphones that are on the market. And this is probably why Samsung has chosen to use a different naming scheme for this style of foldable, rather than trying to squeeze it into the Galaxy Z series. This will be the first product from Samsung to use this type of display technology, as well as the film that they put on top of it. If you've had a chance to check out the Huawei tri-fold smartphone, then it is said to weigh around the same as theirs. It is also rumored to be a little bit thicker than the Huawei tri-foldable as well. I know that fans of foldable smartphones are getting excited about these new tri-fold devices, and I can understand why. I still have not switched to one for my daily driver, as I can't get over the technical issues right now, and I'm not a fan of how they feel either. But once the tech matures, I do look forward to having a tablet-sized device on me at all times. The phones are going to have to get much thinner though, as I'm not a fan of how thick they are when the devices are all closed up. So, let me know what you think about this new name for the Samsung tri-fold smartphone. And please, do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news content like this.